Good morning, everyone. I'm on my way to work in my Tesla here, and today is a special day for me and for the car. If you look out on the road, you can see that something is wrong. Yeah, on the right side, the fog light does not work. It's out. And in fact, if you look at it from outside, it just flickers a little bit. So today the Tesla service center sends the mobile service to my house to replace the fog light on the Model Y. And I'm on my way to work now, and after work, when I'm home, just before the guy comes, I'll show you what the light looks like from the outside, and we'll see. We'll go from there. So see you in a little bit. Okay, let's have a quick look at those lights. See, this one here on the driver's side is on. The fog light is on. And get closer, you can see that the parking light is on as well. And now we'll move over to the other side, and let's see all the water in there. For one, and for two, the fog light is not working. There you go. All right, it's a cold day today. It's about 21 degrees only. I'm gonna head home, and I'll be waiting for the Tesla mobile service. We'll see when the guy arrives, what he says. I don't think he wants to be on camera, but if he does, I'll maybe film a little bit, or I can probably take a couple pictures. So we'll see what will happen. All right, the Tesla guy just left. Everything went well. He changed the light. We'll show it in another video, but there it is. I already tested it. Don't have much time now. It works fine. It's brand new. That's the old one. See, it's full of condensation, and the fog light did not work. So yeah, the guy came in the Model S. He took the wheel off and went into the fog light through the wheel well from behind that, took it out, which is an easy way, and I think the best way to do so. He checked the tire pressure, tire thread, and filled up the washer fluid. Made sure everything was clean, tested everything, was super nice and polite. Came, yeah, like I said, in the Model S. Had no charge on his Model S, and asked if I can plug it in here, which is no problem for me. And I don't know, maybe some customers that would be. Me, it's not. I'm more than willing to help, especially if someone's nice and polite about things. So good experience this time with Tesla mobile service. To schedule was a little bit more tricky because it got canceled just before they should come, and then I had to complain, and then they rescheduled for the same day, so which was good. So I was home and got it fixed at the day like it was supposed to happen. All right, that's the newest Tesla story here. Hope there will be no more work to be done on warranty, and if something happens, I hope the mobile service can come again. All right, talk to you soon.